Hello guys, I am Atal from Top Atal Technology. Today I will teach you how to create amazing intro video. Do not miss any point from video. If you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You must have INSHOT application in your mobile. First of all, open your INSHOT, click on video and click on new and click on blank. Now push it to right side so become lengthy. Click on pip and select that video and which video you want to create intro video. I downloaded already. This is my video. I will cut extra point from this video. Yeah, bring it to the left side and cut here and the end. Yeah, this is okay. Now I will check this video. Yeah, I missed extra point here. I will cut it. Yeah, click on full screen mode. I selected this video for intro video. You can select different video for intro video. I selected this video for intro video. You can choose different video from YouTube, from Google. Now you can download this video from description because I still the link of this video. This is my video for intro video. Now I will add my logo. Once again, click on pip and select your logo. Select your logo from gallery. This is my channel logo. I selected that. Increase the size of logo. Push it from corner. Yeah, enough. Now click on animation. You can select many style for your logo, like this, and also like this. I select this one, full the time of this much. Now you can see my intro video. Look at my intro video. This is very amazing style for intro video. Now increase the time of video. This is enough time. Yeah, now I will check my video. My video become fixed. Now you can see, and also you can check this video. Yeah, once again I will check. Be very careful here and check your video for many time, because you should control the time of video from here. Yeah, it's okay. Click on mark and write the text here, and write the name of your channel, your page, and also everything you have. Write your own name. You can write your own name, you can write your channel name, you can write your page name. I wrote the name of my YouTube channel, Top Atal Technology. Now I will select the text style. You can select different style. I want to select this style. You also can get this style from video description. I will still the link of this one here. Yeah, select the area. My text become fixed. You must tell the text and also your name in the middle of display, like as you can see my YouTube channel name. Once again click on text, yeah, and select the style for coming and also for going. I selected from already. Now cut the extra space and check your into video. Look at to video style. You can choose different style. You can make different videos, different style. I will bring down because it was little near to my logo. Now you again, so you can check. This was video about how we can create amazing intro video for your YouTube videos. For saving, click on save and save the video. Many people they use the kinemaster for creating intro video, but using kinemaster that is difficult. You can create very simply an INSHOT. Thank you for watching video. Have a good like and good time. Bye.